I'm teaspoon of baking powder. Drop it. Now I need to add some salt. Hi, Mom. Now I'll start add some in. Yeah. In here? Did it? I'll get a sticker, okay, Mom? Rub in. Now I add egg. Mix it up. Now I add some milk. I dump in. I did a keep showing it up. Now I want to show it up. Hi, Mom. I could add in the area. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom.
Pancakes.
Okay. Now it's time to show some butter. Up in. Now we show it almost done. Those donuts so already showed that, Mom. I want to put blueberries in there. I'll put some in there. You make pancakes, actually. That's some on it. This is